Welcome back to True Nation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith, and I got my Ipsy. I feel like it's later what's today?
And we're filming videos in weird orders, or posting them in weird orders, I should say. So
we're doing two back-to-back
you're
right now.
You're going to see this one before probably the other ones that we already have filmed, if that makes any sense.
I already know it was going to be in there.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, I still don't want it though.
It's partly opened.
I know it's partly open. I like the Betty Boop one I got last time. We got last time? I got.
Yeah.
This one, I looked to see what I'd be getting, but I'd forgotten most of it, only that there was one item I could select, and I should have picked skincare, but there was something else I wanted, so I didn't. So the first thing I have is Murad's Essential C Day Moisture Broad Spectrum SPF 30. And the good thing about Ipsy is they say that they do, like, make your stuff... I can't even think tonight. My head hurts. But
I like Murad. That's why I was like, ooh, I like their products.
If you get, did it come with a card or no? Oh, it did. Here, you can read stuff. But they, I don't say collaborate. What's the word? They make your stuff like around, like if you picked a skincare, you would think they give you more skincare because they seems like that's what they would do. But anyhow, I didn't pick skincare.
This is Wild Side. So this month they're to step into uncharted territory, electric lipsticks, passion projects, far-flung destinations. By leaning into the unknown, you just might find the most authentic version of you. And that's what the inside looks like.
Can you tell me what this says? It's either Gigi or Iggy or...
It's Gigi, I guess? Gorgeous? Gigi Gorgeous? Living Lip Balm in Natalia?
Because if it's a lip balm, I think I mentioned this because I think I knew I was going to get some kind of lip balm. I'm going to put this in a giveaway because I did just get a lip balm from something else. And you guys know I have 1,000 lip balms, but I've been trying to use them. But is this the one I wanted to get or is this not it? I think this might be it. Okay, this must be what I picked, but I can't remember. It says One Fair Beige, Lock Color, Lock It, Good Foundation. That's a BB plus foundation. I really need like a CC, but that's okay. But it's, what I was
Foundation,
wanting.
Yeah, right? Is that what it's called?
Foundation, but sorry.
Yeah.
That's what I wanted. It's just so small, but I thought like I need more CC creams or powders or all that kind of things. Just anything to make my face not pink. The last couple things we have, is it Huda or am I saying that wrong? I feel like I'm saying that wrong. Huda Beauty, Liquid Matte. That's really like, I mean, I love my liquid mattes too, so it's like they know me well. But I'll probably put it in a giveaway just because.
We don't think we'll ever use everything we get.
Yeah, I mean, I like liquid mattes, so I don't know. I'll think about it. But, and there's Ava NYC or Eva Freshen Up Dry Shampoo, cleans without water. This is something else I do use a lot, so that one's good. But definitely the lip balm I'll put in, if nothing else, but I mean, maybe I can get some more in there.
That's what the back looked like, just in case I didn't show it.
And it is like $13, I think, nowadays, or with tax or something, it's around that. So
I'm trying to think of the word you were trying to think of. It's not like customized, because it's like...
I feel like customized might work
customized.
yeah, because they'll customize the rest of your stuff around what you picked for the item. That was your one item.
Card.
But I don't know how that like looks to me. Like I picked the BB cream thing, but the other items were kind of like, I was like, what did that have to do with it? It didn't seem like they customized it, if that makes sense. But it's a cute bag. As I said, I just think I'll give it to my daughter. But if this video was fast enough for you overall, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I speak so fast. To be part of our future giveaways. We're doing one currently, so we'll leave the link down below for you, and we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.